CLI's ambition has always been to anticipate the needs of tomorrow in order to protect coastal infrastructure and natural ecosystems. For 70 years, CLI, Concrete Layer Innovations, has been innovating, designing, and implementing techniques to protect breakwaters using artificial blocks, enabling them to withstand climatic events. These exceptional results are the fruit of research based, among other things, on physical scale models. As early as the 1950s, this led our engineers to design the first block, the tetrapod. Then, at the beginning of the 1980s, CLI developed a new artificial block concept, the acropod. This was a technical and economic revolution. The acropod ensured the stability and efficiency of a breakwater using a single layer of blocks. These single-layer armors have two fundamental characteristics: optimum interlocking of the blocks with each other and the ability to absorb a large proportion of wave energy. Since 1981, these undeniable proofs of their effectiveness have led to CLI's innovative technologies being implemented at more than 400 construction sites around the world. Currently, 28 structures are being built in 13 countries. All of them benefit from several of our services, such as design assistance, physical models assistance, technical assistance, compliance certificate, asset management. Via these assistance services, we support our clients right from the start of the breakwater design stage, beginning with the design of the works, the use of physical scale models in the laboratory, and 3D modeling. CLI is involved in finalizing the composition of the concrete before construction begins, and then in the process of manufacturing and placing the artificial blocks. CLI also assists contractors in manufacturing the molds and can put buyers in contact with sellers of forms already used on other sites. The stability of single-layer blocks derives mainly from their ability to key together. To acquire this know-how, CLI trains operators in these particular techniques. To facilitate acceptance of the works, CLI provides a certificate of conformity service that is based on factual information. This certificate guarantees that the blocks were placed in accordance with professional standards. All breakwaters, whether they're built with natural rock or with artificial blocks, are designed to evolve over time. CLI therefore offers an asset management service to help managers monitor the condition of their breakwaters. Thanks to new digital technologies, CLI produces factual data concerning the condition of an armor. These 3D models, which take just a few hours to build, are precise to within a few centimeters. They can be used to make a reliable and pertinent comparison with previous states. In order to guarantee a more durable economical structure that is better integrated into its environment, CLI offers different types of block whose technological performance levels are based on proven engineering expertise. These include Acropod, Acropod 2, Ecopod, Corelock, Acroberm 1 and 2 toe blocks. The first generation of Acropod blocks was marketed in 1981. It's still widely used today. Its successor, the Acropod 2, has been used for 20 years already. It ranges in size from 0.8 cubic meters to 28 cubic meters. Its pyramid-shaped protuberances ensure even greater keying of the blocks. Its characteristics mean that it is quick to install, economical, and above all, reliable in all circumstances, including in areas subject to cyclones where many projects have been carried out. With its Ecopod block, CLI addresses one of today's major challenges, that of combining efficiency, ecology, and economy in the design of a breakwater made of concrete blocks. As part of its research, CLI is committed to the development of eco-designed armours. The concrete used for the EcoPod block can be textured so that it resembles the colour of the surrounding rocks as closely as possible, and is perfectly integrated into the landscape. Above the surface, the armour looks like natural riprap. Underwater, the physical characteristics of the blocks help marine organisms to become attached, thus encouraging the rapid creation of a new ecosystem. CLI also offers the CoreLock block, which is commonly used in the Middle East, as it's the most cost-effective solution to protect locations exposed to moderate waves. Finally, to replace the natural rocks used as toe blocks for the Acropod, CLI developed the Acroberm 1 and 2. The aim was to create a toe block for armours that would be easier to install and therefore more economical and more reliable. The voids filled with small rocks in the second version mean that the Acroberm 2 can be quickly colonised by small marine organisms. Above all, our blocks constitute the best protection against storms, a need we have to face as a result of climate change. They also produce only half the carbon footprint of traditional old blocks, such as tetrapods. Placed in just a single layer, they allow the quantity of concrete used to be reduced by 50%. With each breakwater construction or redevelopment project, CLI demonstrates that the performance of its technologies is synonymous with savings and respect for the environment.